Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Let's talk about the Saudi Arabian Pavilion of Expo 2020 Dubai. The pavilion, which has won the Best Pavilion Award and the other two honorary rewards for the Best Exterior Design and for the Best Display. The Saudi Pavilion also holds three Guinness World Records: the longest interactive water curtain, which is about 32 meters long, the largest interactive light floor, and the largest interactive digital screen mirror, which is about 1240 square meter. The Saudi Pavilion as Expo 2020 has received over 4 million visitors. It is the second largest pavilion at Expo 2020 Dubai with a total area of 13,059 square meter. Boris Mica Associate designed the building of Saudi Pavilion. The pavilion is an inclined volume rising from the ground towards the sky. Symbolizes the core message of the project. Saudi Arabia is a country firmly rooted in its heritage but changing rapidly towards the future. It provides an outstanding experience that takes visitors along a journey through the kingdom's past, present, and future. Technology is mixed with knowledge, and creative arts reflect Saudi Arabian growth and prosperity in all fields. It offers glimpse into our shared future. It will take you to a journey through ambitions across four pillars: people, nature, heritage, and opportunities. It is an innovative and sustainable design that is LEED Platinum certified. Saudi Arabia Pavilion deliberately avoids sinus and overcomplicated forms which are difficult to apprehend by the visitors. Standing as a self-contained prismatic volume, this distinctive landmark speaks of a solid, determined, trustworthy country. The simplicity of its line and its construction quality represent a society that values beauty in the essence of things. A wide range of exhibition resources are used to encompass the diversity of Saudi Arabia, as the biggest country of the Middle East. A fully animated LED facade inclined over an interactive open plaza. Large-scale curved screen to generate immersive environment. Scenographic reproductions. State-of-the-art digital interactive shootings in 22 natural locations covering 11,000 kilometers and other features.
Story portala.
The Saudi Arabia Pavilion incarnates a country opening to the world and a diverse society, proud of its heritage but rapidly evolving towards a new and exciting future. Throughout, the visitors experience traditional exhibition techniques are intertwined with the state-of-the-art audio-visual installation to portray the transformation of the country. So these combinations of traditional and fully contemporary exhibition techniques results in a mesmerizing visitor experience.
सीधा चलें सीधा. बेटा सीधा चलो. सऊदी अरब ने बहुत कमाल किया. इनको लेके मैं नीचे निकल रहा हूँ.
After the event, the pavilion would remain as a legacy architecture of the Expo Dubai 2020. Hopefully, you have enjoyed this video about the Saudi Arabia Pavilion Expo 2020 Dubai. For more information about Expo 2020 Dubai, you must subscribe this channel. That's all about the Saudi Arabia Pavilion at Expo 2020 Dubai. For more exciting journey to different places of Dubai and Middle East, you have to subscribe this channel. Like this video if you liked it. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum. Bye bye.